Welcome to my channel Food and Living. I'm Shweta, and there are a few new subscribers in my channel, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome them. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to the channel, and you can watch a lot of interesting videos, recipes, and much more. Also, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very happy Navratri. I'm sure the festive preparations have already begun in your house, and may Ma Durga bless each one of you with the health, wealth, prosperity, and anything that you wish to have. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And also these days I have posted a lot of videos. There was a chef Kiriti who showed us a lot of nice recipes, and going forward we'll also show a lot of new recipes for you all. And also this week I have shown a lot of sweets and some yummy recipes which you can do during the festival, whereby there are a lot of people in your house, a lot of get-togethers going on, and you're spending a lot of quality time with your family. So this is the time you can make and prepare them and enjoy the feast with the family. So hoping the videos are helpful, and please do like and subscribe to the channel, and please do let me know if you're liking any video. And as I have observed in my channel, I have a lot of likes and views for the ones fashion related videos. So this is one of it, whereby I have used very basic wardrobe staples to create some of the looks for the festival, both very traditional and some fusion, whereby you can create very easily and very wearable looks very easily to your college, your office, and wherever you are planning to have the festival celebrated. So let's watch the video first. So the first one is a simple and elegant looking sari, and I have draped it a little different, something I have not done before. You can also try different drapes, and also you can pair it with different signature looks, like a sari of different state and a different look of a nut. And here I have paired it with elephant pendant like that of Karnataka and Dussera. And the second one is a lehenga, a dandiya kind of a vibe. This gives a dandiya vibe, and you can pair it with jewelry and bandhani dupatta, and you're ready to dance and groove and have fun. And the third one is a skirt. Again, this is also a time to wear a lot of skirts, so that it is very festive. And have paired it with a slit top and some jewelry which are statement and good to go. And a similar kind of a look, but little variation with crop top and a DIY shrug from an old kurta. You can also try to do that. And this is a very trending kind of a look these days. And also here the corners of the dupatta are pinned at the center and worn it as a shrug, and I've paired a lace as a belt. And the next one is again a skirt with a sleeveless black top. You can wear a jacket or sport a dupatta, which is very ethnic, and if it has any embroidery also you can wear it, and throw on some junk jewelries, and you're ready to dance. This is very comfortable for dancing too, and you feel very light and nice. And the next one is a palazzo one along with a jacket and a black short top. And the other look with this is with the dupatta and then a belt again. This is a DIY lace belt along with some jewelry which are statement pieces. So this is the time where you can sport a lot of jewelry and also make a lot of DIY mangtika or bracelet or even a ring. And the next one is a dhoti styled with a short kurti or crop top. This is again very trending these days, and you can sport it or wear it with different kind of dupattas, or you can wear a shrug over it, or you can experiment however you want. So these were the simple looks you can also try and enjoy this festive season. And these are the simple looks I created using the very basic wardrobe staples. Some are both trending, some are very fashionable and quite trending too. So you can create a lot of DIYs too, which I've already mentioned. So have jewelry hacks videos and two or three different type of sari draping ideas on my channel. So do watch all of that to have a little more idea of how you can style your sari this season. And if you like those videos, please do like, share and subscribe the video. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.